What is Sensa Granite? Sensa Granite is maintenance-free premium natural granite developed by Cosentino, a global leader in the natural stone industry for more than 80 years. This high-quality granite offers reliable performance and a 15-year transferable warranty. Natural granite is a material of great beauty, but is very sensitive to stains. The porosity of granite also varies greatly, so it is important to protect the stone. Sensa by Cosentino features a revolutionary stain protection treatment known as SenGuard that ensures our product is stain-resistant and maintenance-free for many years. Unlike common sealers on the market, SenGuard is applied to the granite during the manufacturing process and requires no additional sealing for years to come. Over time, daily activity and the use of household cleaners can wear down standard sealers, leaving the granite unprotected in some areas. Due to this wear and tear, these sealers must be reapplied to protect the stone, which not only means additional cost, but can also cause darkening of the material. Additionally, standard sealers act as a protectant film and therefore do not allow the stone to breathe, thus reducing their resiliency. The result of years of research, combined with the experience of a company that has been in some of the most demanding stone markets for over 10 years, SenGuard is a superior and unique stain protection treatment. Unlike other sealers, SenGuard chemically bonds to the granite, changing the superficial tension of the stone. Under typical conditions, most stone surfaces absorb liquids. SenGuard creates a barrier to prevent liquids such as water, coffee, or oil from penetrating and staining Sensa's surface, while also allowing the granite to breathe. If there are pipes or a dishwasher underneath a surface treated with a standard sealant, mold and moisture may form and cause damage to the surface. However, with Cosentino's Sensa Granite, the humidity passes through the material, helping to avoid these types of issues. Because SenGuard is a chemical treatment deep in the stone and not just a protective layer, the surface is highly resistant to scratching or chipping. An additional benefit is that liquids are repelled and not absorbed. In fact, SenGuard is so effective that liquids can't even penetrate a mound of sand that has been treated. The formula is also resistant to UV radiation, meaning color change will not occur as a result of solar radiation. SenGuard performance versus common granite sealers. No sealing required. The treatment is applied during a carefully monitored manufacturing process. As a result, there is no need for fabricators to seal the material after it has been cut and installed. A sealant has to be applied by hand, by either the owner or a professional installer to protect the granite. The treatment penetrates the material through chemical bond, allowing the stone to breathe. Standard sealers require yearly reapplication to protect the stone from staining because they break down over time. The treatment cannot be wiped or scrubbed off and is not affected by scouring sponges or common household cleaners. No special cleaners are required to clean Sensa. These types of sealers create a thin layer on top of the granite and do not allow stone to breathe. Sensa with SenGuard comes with a 15-year transferable warranty, supported by Cosentino's customer service department. Common household cleaners break down standard sealers, but it is impossible to know when a sealer has been worn down and on which parts of the surface. Areas without protection are susceptible to becoming darker in color when exposed to chemicals often found in household cleaners. With a proven 10-year history, Sensa Granite by Cosentino gives you all the beauty of natural stone with outstanding performance against stains.